Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by setting a clear 2-hour study block divided into 25-minute focus sessions and 5-minute breaks to keep energy high. List high-yield topics and rank them by exam weight and your current weakness so you know what to prioritize. Gather 1 notebook, 2 pens, your calculator, and all notes before starting so you avoid interruptions. Create a 2-column page for concepts versus practice problems, and schedule a final 15-minute review at the end to reinforce recall. Use active techniques. Explain concepts aloud in 1-minute summaries to test understanding and reveal gaps. After explaining, do 3 timed practice problems for each major topic to build speed and apply knowledge under pressure. Use spaced recall by reviewing notes after 10 minutes, again 1 day later, and then 3 days later to move facts into long-term memory. Convert definitions into questions and mark any item you miss for immediate restudy during your next focus session. The night before, sleep 6 to 8 hours and eat a balanced meal with protein and complex carbs to stabilize focus. Pack your bag with 2 pens, an extra battery, your ID, water, and a light snack to manage energy during the test. On exam day, arrive 30 minutes early, do 5 deep breaths to calm nerves, and do a 2-minute review of key formulas and 1-line summaries of high-yield topics. Start by scanning the test to allocate time per section, and begin with high-confidence items.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.